Hello, in this video I'm going to show the camera tricks on the HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Okay, so first let's open up our camera app, of course, and let me show you here the most interesting features and the most also some hidden things that you might want to know about on this device. So when it comes to, to all normal modes, we have a simple photo. In here on the top bar we can enable or disable the massive AI mode. Next to it we have a possibility to open up and turn on the moving picture mode. If you click on the information button, in here we have also the photo, how it will look. So moving picture lets you take a still photo that moves when you touch and hold it in the gallery. Touch and the moving picture icon in gallery, or touch and hold a photo to view the moving picture. So if you are interested in that kind of features, you can always use it. It's in the normal photo mode on the above side. In here we have the filters. Now they appear on the bottom. So now you know how to get access to them. It's actually called XMAGE. So that's some kind of a filters. Okay, so when it comes to the zoom levels, we have the wide, normal X, 2X, 3.5, and the 10X on the bar. But when it comes, to the maximum, a maximum zoom is on the level of 35. So that's the maximum zoom possible on this device when it comes to that. Okay. Now, as we open up the settings in here, we can change some things. For example, we can enable the capture smiles feature, so it will automatically take a photo when someone is smiling. So it's pretty cool feature, I would say. We can enable it, and we can also click to enhance images. Capture 25 megapixel images in photo mode. Images might take slightly longer to process at this resolution, so we can enable it. Below we have the simple video resolution settings. They are a little bit hidden, so you can change them in here. The maximum value is 4K for this device, and the frame rate we can change from 30 to 60. We also have the HDRI, vivid, and the high efficiency format. So the videos take up about 35 less space, but may not play on other devices. And when it comes to the HDR vivid, entrance color and contrast effects rely on playback and device software compatibility. We can enable those features. Below we have things such as horizontal level that we can adjust. We can turn it on and it will appear in our normal camera, in our photo mode, normal photo mode. And it will tell us when the phone is on the right level, when we are holding it still. Okay, from one of the coolest settings in here, we also have the ultra snapshot and the floating shutter. When it comes to the ultra snapshot, we can select an action, what will launch. So for now, the open camera action is set. So when we double press volume down when the screen is off, the camera should launch. So let me check that. So let's turn on the screen, and now let's double tap the volume key. And as you can see, the camera app successfully launched. So it works just fine. Maybe let's try to change the thing. So let's select it on take a snapshot. Again, let's double tap. Okay, and the snapshot has been taken. Maybe actually we cannot see it, so let's do it once more. Okay, I took the photo. You can see that it went just fine. Okay, so now let's place our phone on the table, and let me show you other things. Also when it comes to the video settings, in here on the top you can change the the FPS. Okay, next to it we have the Pro mode, and when it comes to the Pro mode, in that mode we can adjust basically almost anything that we want. So we can change the format from JPG to JPG-L or RAW. If you click on the information button, you can see what each thing does. So we can change the metering, ISO, aperture, shutter speed, exposure compensation, focus, white balance, setting lock, raw image format, high res image format, or the default image format. And we can adjust all of those things manually into our own preferences. So I would say that this mode is for like almost pros, for people who like to play and adjust with the settings. So if you are that kind of person, a Pro mode is just for you. Okay, when you click on more, in here we have some other cool things. We have the slow-mo, panorama, light painting, time-lapse, stickers, documents, dual view, high resolution, story creator, aperture, and the super macro. Let me begin with the slow motion. I think that some of you might know how it works. So that's pretty cool. The maximum FPS possible is 960 FPS. It's a lot of FPS. We can also change the resolution, I think, but maybe actually we can't. Okay, but first let me show you how the slow motion mode works. So 900 FPS mode on. Let's create a video. Okay, I think it should be fine. Okay, so let's click on that and let's see how it works. And you can see that the video is really slowed. It's barely moving, but as you take a look, it moved really slow. So that's how the slow motion mode works. In here you can also see the information, how it works. Okay. We can also change the speed right in here. So that's the maximum, 32x, which stands for 960, 8x, which stands for 240, and 4x, 120 FPS. Okay, we also have the panorama mode in here. Let me show you also how it works. So we need to now touch the shutter button and we need to perform that kind of move. So let me show you how to do it. And now I need to go gently to the right side. You also should keep your arrow on the screen in the center. Okay, I just took it and now let me show you how it looks like. So when it comes to the panorama, I just basically took a wide photo with a lot of details. So for example, this mode is pretty useful when you are in an open space. For example, in the mountains, when you have a beautiful landscape far from you and you want to take a picture of it, so you can use the panorama mode for it. It's pretty cool feature, I would say. One of the my favorites. Okay. Let's get back into the camera. Now let me show you the light painting, and in here we have some kind of filters, let's say it in that way. So we can use the flash to capture people as you're shooting in this mode. So we have without flash and with flash, and in here you can use that mode. Of course, you can also change the zoom level. Okay, when it comes to the high resolution, in here simply we have the highest megapixels possible. So if you want to take a photo with the best quality possible, simply use the high resolution mode. Okay, when it comes to dual view, In here we simply can record a video from both cameras at the same time. We can also change the zoom. We can also change the cameras. So now on the bottom we have the front camera, and above you have the normal camera. And of course we can record a video in this mode. Okay. Also we have the documents. It's good for scanning the objects. Let me show you. For example, let's select this piece of rubber. Let's take a photo of it, and you can see that it has been almost like perfectly cut, and it's sticking right to the edge with its maximum size. So actually it looks like now that I'm holding this piece of rubber in my hands, and it's pretty big, but you know, it's for the documents. So the photos are the best in the documents mode when it comes, you know, to the documents. It's for this, like for the scanning. It's pretty useful. Pretty useful feature, I would say. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.